Why do you need omega-3 fish oil in a supplement? Leading health researcher Dr. Paul Clayton explains.
The omega-3s are amongst the most important anti-inflammatory dietary components that there are. You need to build them into your cell membranes for cells to function properly, but they're also the substrate for a whole range of lipid-based hormones, mediators if you like, which are deeply implicated in the control of inflammation. Protectins and resolvins and interesting compounds like that. Where do you get them from? Well, really, only from oily fish. There are some rather unscrupulous types around who say, well, you can get omega-3s, ALA from plant oils. That's just nonsense. The rate of conversion in women is only a few percent all the way through to the EPA DHA, which is what you need. In males, it's often almost to zero. Conversion rate's very, very poor. So you do need omega-3s from oily fish, and if you're a vegetarian or vegan, from marine algae, which is where the fish get their omega-3s from. Potent anti-inflammatory compounds essential for cell membrane functionality, and that's of course why they are involved in central nervous system function, because a lot of what goes on inside the brain is to do with neuronal membranes and their ability to carry and transmit electric charge. A reduced intake of omega-3s in later life, an excessive 6:3 ratio, which is so common now, almost universal because of the industrialization of plant oils, leads to increased inflammation and is related to increased cardiovascular disease, cancer, all of the degenerative diseases really.
Now the supplement that Dr. Clayton has designed certainly includes omega-3 from fish oil, but it also includes carotenoids like lutein, zeaxanthin and lycopene, which have other specific health benefits, and flavonoids from curcumin, green tea and grapeseed extract. These have high anti-inflammatory properties, and soy isoflavones with optimum levels of vitamins and minerals, and indeed more. Now, why Dr. Clayton's emphasis on inflammation, and in particular what he called chronic subclinical inflammation? Well, it's because health authorities are now quite clear that this type of inflammation, which is low grade, meaning it's pretty much undetectable, is associated with everything from heart disease and diabetes to Alzheimer's and arthritis, and may even be the cause of most chronic diseases. And Scientific American concurs, inflammation is an underlying contributor to virtually every chronic disease, from rheumatoid arthritis, Crohn's disease, diabetes, and depression, along with major killers such as heart disease and stroke. And now the connection between this type of inflammation, internal inflammation, and cancer is now center stage in the research arena. Now, Dr. Clayton is clear that a supplement should be just that. It's a supplement to what should be basically a healthy diet, which is why he's produced a cookbook emphasizing anti-inflammatory foods and anti-inflammatory cooking methods, which, together with the supplement that he designed, combines the lessons from the latest medical research showing the importance of anti-inflammatory eating and cooking with the nutrients that Dr. Clayton has identified from the societies who live the longest and live the healthiest. So we encourage you to watch the other videos on how other nutrients like curcumin and green tea and carotenoids all contribute with omega-3 to an all-round health defense. We also invite you to go to NutriShield.com for the details and the evidence behind this unique protective supplement.